Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this lesson, I'm going to tell you three mistakes that most students make in learning and improving in the vocabulary area. Right now, if you're here for the first time and you don't know what we do as content, just check out my playlists, IELTS Daily and Detailed Masterclasses. You will understand how I give you lessons and what kind of lessons there are. So let's get started with this lesson right away. Mistake number one is to memorize a lot of words. Now remember that memorizing words and using them in your answer cannot really help you get a good score. The examiners in both the IELTS writing and the speaking tests want you to be natural with whatever vocabulary you're using. So they don't mind if you don't use a fancy word, but if you use a fancy word that's memorized, they are quick to identify. Remember, they are trained in this area to judge a student's ability in the vocabulary front. So make sure you avoid this mistake. Mistake number two is to not get exposed to the language enough. Now, by this I mean exposing yourself to content like newspapers, to content like speeches, conversations, podcasts, and all of that. Now, this helps you gain a lot of vocabulary, such as idioms, such as less common words, but if you are not doing that, you are not giving yourself an input at all. Now, by this, I mean you should start developing that habit of reading something every day. It can be an article, it can be a blog, it can be even a speech that you're listening to. But while you're doing that, make sure you understand every word completely, or you're writing down those words for yourself. Now, I've done this as to how you can read content or listen to content and improve vocabulary. I've done this in a separate video. Go check out that video here to understand that. But this not doing or not giving yourself input is probably one of the biggest mistakes. Last but not the least is that you're not applying those vocabulary or words that you learn enough. Now, this is also a problem. You may be learning a lot of new words. By default, you know the meaning of certain less common words, but it's just that you are not applying those words. You're not speaking or writing in English sufficient enough. This is a problem. Remember, on your exam day, you are given an essay question or a task 1 question, and you are asked to speak on a topic continuously for 2 minutes. You can't expect yourself to remember all the words that you learned, or you can't expect yourself to be perfect with the vocabulary on that day or at that moment. It cannot happen unless you are actually exposed to the language, unless you actually use it every day. You cannot really do well on your exam day. So if you think you're reading enough, you're listening enough, but you're still not improving on the vocabulary front, it just means that you're not applying those words enough. Now, let me finish this lesson in telling you how and where exactly all three mistakes map and where you may be losing your score. So, mistake number one, memorizing vocabulary can affect your scoring, especially in cue cards, in the speaking area, or your task 2 in the writing area, where you're writing memorized words, but the other sentences don't really match up to this particular word level. You are writing a word that's probably very high or very uncommon, and the other words don't match up to this particular word. That's a problem. The examiners will understand very easily that this is memorized. Now, I told you second mistake, that's not being exposed to the language, or not having the habit of reading or listening to English. That, of course, is going to affect you in your reading and listening as well. But in your writing and speaking, you are going to run out of ideas. You are going to run out of thoughts. You're going to run out of words, and you will start hesitating and looking out for words in your mind. And this affects your score in the fluency area in the speaking test. In your writing, it affects your task achievement. You're not able to write or elaborate that idea. which in turn affects your vocabulary score. Now, last but not the least, not applying enough words means that you may not be paraphrasing enough, which means that you're not using different words for a certain word, and that creates a problem again for your vocabulary score. So, if you like the video and you also like my insights, you want to be coached by me, just fill up the admissions form that you see in the description of this video, and I will help you choose the best program. And if you also want to check out my success stories, the program success stories, you can check that out here in my playlist, and I will see you in another lesson. Until then, keep using these insights, keep watching my lessons, and keep sharing them with other people. Bye bye, have a nice day.